In this video, you will learn how to use the 3D Terrain View in SMS Advanced. 3D Terrain View can be used to view maps in 3D, the terrain of the field, and to show the relationships between the terrain and attribute or property being mapped. To begin, open SMS. Make a map of the field you want to view in 3D Terrain View. Click the Hide/Show 3D View icon in the Map toolbar. To view a dataset in 3D, it must have elevation, swath width, and distance recorded. Your map should now be in 3D. Various tools are provided for the manipulation and analysis of the 3D view, including Rotate, Reset, Map Rotation, Zoom tools, Pan, and Measuring tools. Click Edit Map Options in the Map toolbar. Then select the 3D Map tab. You can adjust the grid sizes, scale, and even select to show shaded relief. Shaded relief increases the ease with which you can view the terrain changes in the field. Clicking on the Surface Contours tab allows you to turn primary and secondary contour lines on and off, adjust the line interval, size and colors, and even select to show labels. Click OK at the bottom to now see your new 3D map. To print this map, go to the menu and click File. Then click Print Map/Layers. You have now learned how to use the 3D Terrain View in SMS Advanced. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.